How to find all your likes history on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your likes history on Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on chat at the bottom to find this page. Once you find it, you're gonna find chat room and you're gonna find messages. Scroll to messages and you're gonna find likes. Click on it, and here you're gonna find all your likes history since your beginning on Likee app till now, from the oldest to the newest on your Likee. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.